Okay, today we do the tmux from Hack the Box, and let's dive in. How to start? Type tmux. All commands start with the control. Certain key gets released from the target and then B. Let's go ahead and start from our new created tmux session. In order to detach, it's D. While should we have the titles? How do we list all of our session? It was tmux arrays. What did our session name default? Default of tmux session is 0. Now the different name. How do we attach to tmux a p0? New window. What key? In order to do this, it was C. Control C. Okay. You get up. This output not all fit on the screen at once to fix. Let's enter copy mode. What do we do to enter copy mode? Copy mode is very central. The top was G and the bottom was G. And exit of the copy mode is quit. This window we're working is nice control. To split the window vertical. And horizontal. Okay. Kill the pain. Close the session. Spawn an empty session name. Tmux new spawn new back. That's all. The last was tmux and new scenic. Okay, see ya till next time.